How to fix laptop speakers crackling on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your laptop speakers crackling on your Windows 10 or 11, then first thing you need to do is just simply search for Device Manager. To open up your Device Manager, you need to go with the sound option, go with the drop down, and here you need to select the option in which you're facing the problem and then right click on it, go with Properties. Under Properties, you need to go with Driver and you need to go with Update Driver. And you need to go with Search Automatically for drivers and it will fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just go and uninstall the device. After uninstalling, you can restart your computer and your problem might be fixed. Now, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do, just go back, go with your search, and here you need to search for mmsys.cpl and then hit the enter. And it will take you to the same kind of interface, which is right here. Here you need to double click on your speakers and then you will have the enhancement option. You just need to simply go with enhancement and under your enhancement, make sure that you've disabled all the enhancement. Once you've done that, you just need to simply go with the advanced section, go with the drop down and make sure to select the 16-bit option, which is the first option, and go with apply and OK. After you've done that, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you just need to simply search for Troubleshooter, go with Troubleshoot Settings. Under that, you need to go with Other Troubleshooters. And here you need to find the audio section or the sound section and go with Run. And run the Troubleshooter for the audio. And once you've done that, then you need to restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix laptop speakers crackling on your Windows 10 or 11. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.